Hey there, thank you for joining us today. We are really excited because today our package arrived. Where did this come from?
Put me on the spot. I can't remember. It was Goodwoods British Market, I think it is, but I'll definitely link that below. And we opened one of these last year, so it's up there somewhere on an info card. And I'll link that one too if you want to see last year's haul. We really like Goodwoods British Market, and the fun thing about this is that you have to order so far ahead of time for your Christmas box that you forget what you order. So it's like opening a gift at the beginning of December that you bought for yourself. So we don't really know what's in this box.
Besides which, we made a long list of everything that we'd like to have. And then we had to cut out about half of those because it was just completely out of our price range.
Yeah.
So now we certainly can't remember what was on the list and what wasn't.
No idea. But they packaged their stuff really well. And on top of the little invoice was this card. And we don't even know what it is. Oh, ooh.
Oh.
May it be filled with peace and love. Happy Christmas from Goodwoods team. So super cute. Now we have another Christmas card for our stash. There's loads of paper. They do such a good job of making sure their packaging protects the items.
We've gotten down to something though.
Oh, we like this. This is fun. It's Beach's marzipan, and I think we got the original dark chocolate. Ooh, that's exciting.
We're big marzipan fans.
Oh, fun. This is even better.
Winter berry and custard crumble.
I don't know if, oh yes I do know. I was going to say I don't know if we ordered mince pies, but we did. I just saw them. But these are even better. I don't like mince pies. These are for me. Berry and custard crumble tarts. My favorite thing ever. Yeah, those are, Mom likes those. You want me to hold them up? Yeah, let me hold them up to the camera. We got Mr. Kipling. They had other brands, I think, but we do like the Mr. Kipling brand. And these boxes seem to have held up fairly well, so that's good. You never know with those boxes.
A little bit of a concern because there's a hole in the side of the big box that it came in, but it's not very deep, so we're hoping that it's all good. Something you need to cut.
Pause while we cut. Let me open this. We'll pull more paper out and make some noise. We could, there's like a forest of paper in here. Oh, I obviously was on an orange kick.
Right. So as we look at the rest of the stuff, I think most of it belongs to Lisa.
It's like orange flavored chocolate. And you can see, look at this before. So we're struggling to get all this bubble wrap off because it's well wrapped. Which is good. That's a good thing. Oh, this is my Smarties Chicky. It's not focusing on it. Isn't that cute? And I'm wearing Orange Bird today. No idea, but I'm wearing my Orange Bird headband today, and I think that's perfect for... I just wanted Smarties. I don't know what it has to do with Christmas.
So we also got a chocolate orange.
Dark.
Also goes with your headband.
Yes, today I was having orange thoughts. Think orange thoughts. And going along with that theme, you have Terry's orange snowballs. I've never had those, but they were orange and they were Terry's, so why not, right?
And why not finish that up with some Jaffa cakes?
The best.
Oh, it says they've got Joe nuts in here.
Wait, what? Oh, right. This isn't just a Jaffa cake box. This is a Jaffa hamper, which includes Jaffa cake bars and, oh, and the original Jaffa cake, and orange and cranberry Jaffa cake, and a donut. So let's open this and peek.
Which just looks like a ring donut in the picture with chocolate on top, so we're assuming orange inside.
Oh, this is cool. It's like a hamper-like box, which is fun. Oh my goodness. This is exciting. They're individually packaged except for the box of orange and cranberry. But the regular Jaffa cakes are individually packaged. Oh, that's great.
Well, that
so I
looks
can.
like there must be at least 2 in here.
Yeah, that'll be nice. I can like grab a pack and take it to the studio with me, and this is exciting.
I'm a little concerned. Maybe
Mom's
I
not
should
gonna get
take
any.
my share. This one's for me. Christmas dessert. I love Christmas pudding. Lisa's not such a fan. This is actually serves 4. It says, we'll
It
see.
really is probably going to be 2 servings for Mom. But Mom likes to put cream on it, like the heavy whipping cream in America or double cream in England. And she likes that. It's okay. But that'll be her fun Christmas treats.
It will be.
It's a fun tradition. Okay, this is one of my fun things. I really like Fox's biscuits. Oh, what's it there? And there is a particular kind of Fox's that I love, and they did not have them. I think you can only get them in England. I've never seen them anywhere else. But I do like the jam and cream, and they have the crunch cream golden, which I do like, and the crunch cream double chocolate, which is okay. But I do like the jam and cream raspberry and vanilla ones a lot, so
And
that'll
look,
be fun.
did you see? There's ones with stars and ones with Christmas trees.
Oh, look at that. Stars and Christmas trees. How cool is that? Oh, and we have a Christmas kitty. Maya.
She's a birthday kitty, but well, now she's here for Christmas.
Ooh. And a fun box of Jacob's crackers. I had to translate that for Mom earlier. I said, we're getting crackers for Christmas. And she thought I meant the pulley cracker kind. And no, I meant the savory biscuit kind. But I really like Jacob's crackers. And there are cream crackers, choice grain, Cornish wafers, cheddars, water biscuits, digestive biscuits, and salt and cracked black pepper bakes. So my favorites are the cream crackers and the cheddars.
And I like the Cornish wafers too.
I don't think I've ever had the Cornish. Wait, which ones are those?
These, I think. These.
Those are those are the Cornish wafers. Well, that'll be interesting. They look good. All of them look good. Cheese and crackers are the best. Is there more? Oh, and there's another thing down here too.
Another?
Oh. Oh, okay, so Mom has her Christmas pudding. This is my Christmas pudding. Tap the screen, Mom. I got a chocolate candy kind. Never had this before, but I thought it was Christmas and I needed a Christmas pudding, so this was my compromise.
And
White chocolate Smarties! I've never had them, so I thought it would be fun, a fun treat, and it's a huge tube.
don't say hello.
I love Smarties. So now I have 2 Smarties things, the little orange Smarties and white chocolate Smarties. I think we can get regular Smarties like in the specialty aisle of the grocery store, so I wasn't too concerned about getting normal flavored milk chocolate Smarties because I can get those, but I wanted to get special ones. Okay, now is that all?
So,
Okay, that seems to be all. All I see is paper left in the box. And we have our kitty. This is Maya.
she doesn't seem to be very sociable. She just wants to hide instead of saying hello.
Oh well. So we are thankful that you joined us for our Christmas haul today. We have more Christmas fun coming up after Christmas, as we're going to celebrate the 12 days of Christmas. The 12 Days of Christmas starts on Christmas Day and goes until
January 6th.
January 6th, but, well, or January 5th if you start on Christmas Day. But we're going to start filming on Christmas Day and upload that video the day after. So you're going to start seeing them on December 26th. So you're going to see them from December 26th through January 6th and celebrate the old-fashioned season of Christmas. And I'm going to try to include a little fun fact about the 12 Days of Christmas. And we're going to open 12 Days of Christmas Advent calendars. Yeah, it's going to be fun. So that's going to be our Vlogmas this year. Different Vlogmas.
So, all the things coming up, the Advent calendars, ouch.
Oh, Maya had
Those
enough.
are sharp claws.
Hi,
No,
Maya.
don't you dare. Don't you dare.
Maya just got in trouble. Now back to what you were saying.
So you will have enjoyed everybody else's Advent calendars coming up to Christmas, and you'll need something to watch after Christmas. So join us then. If you've enjoyed this, we'd appreciate it if you would give us a like, subscribe below, and we'll see you next time. Bye.